Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm here with another project inspired by martial arts. I can't really show much of how they're used because YouTube will end up thinking that they're weapons. And I'm not trying to demonstrate any harmful aspects here. All I want to do is demonstrate some art and show it to the world. We'll get into some of the 3D printing. So let's get into this project. We will get through some of the processes that I went through. I ended up airbrushing. The masking for that was really tedious. So come check it out. The designs were pretty easy on this, so let's get straight to 3D printing. After these got off of the printer, I had to get masking tape on them so I can start carving out what I needed to paint. I think that the painting is always the fun part. We're using a red paint and we're using a master airbrush for this. I've always had a lot of inspiration from different martial arts aspects, but I never ended up incorporating it into my real life. Now I finally get to do that. So let's get to painting this. I did have to go through some adjustments quite a bit through here, but I did lay down the first layer on all of these and it laid down pretty good. So I'll go through a little montage here and just let the music speak for itself. What I really mean though is this is a really mean flow. What I really mean though is this is a really mean flow. Finally, the reveal. I don't know if this is going to work out completely well, but we'll take this off and we'll see. Upon getting this off, the little pieces are getting stuck, but they're coming off pretty good and they're not peeling off any of the acrylic paint. We'll definitely have to take a look here a little bit closer. It's not perfect, but I'm pleased with the results. You see, the white bled through a lot more. In the comments, you should let me know if you have a different method that you use to mask and do your projects. The rest of this came off pretty easily. It was kind of tedious, but it was kind of satisfying to see some of these pieces come off all in one big chunk. Taking all these little pieces off showed us the end result here, and I think these turned out super amazing. Using a brush and some yellow paint, I painted the tops of these. We wanted to get the colors as close to the logo as we possibly could. I think we did a pretty good job. You should let us know in the comments below if we did a good job on that. The one thing that I didn't like about the masking is that it did leave a lot of bleeding still. Even though I taped it pretty good. But for the most part, when you step back, they're still pretty decent. So putting them on display is still gonna be pretty sweet. These nunchucks were 3D printed as an Art Deco inspired piece, blending traditional martial arts symbolism with modern style and creativity. They are not weapons, but expression of respect for the art, the culture, and the craftsmanship behind it. Thank you for being here and supporting the journey along the way. Who inspired you the most about martial arts in your time? Let me know in the comments below as well. Again, I know I've asked for a lot of calls to action here, but I do want to know and hear from you. This is all about you. If you like this video and you want to see more projects like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you in that next video. Peace.